General Administrative Theory. Henri Fayol and Maximum Weber's Contributions to Management. This lesson introduces one of the major classical management theories known as the General Administrative Theory. It focuses on how organizations are managed effectively through structured functions and systems. We will explore the ideas of Henri Fayol and Maximum Weber, two influential thinkers who shaped modern management practices. Overview of General Administrative Theory. Focuses on management functions and practices. Explains how good management is implemented. Emphasizes organization-wide application. Applicable to all types of organizations. The General Administrative Theory is concerned with how management works at the organizational level, rather than focusing only on individual workers or production tasks. It explains that management is a structured process involving planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. These functions are essential for achieving organizational goals efficiently. The theory is universal in nature, meaning it can be applied to schools, businesses, hospitals, and government offices. Its main purpose is to identify what managers do and how effective management practices lead to organizational success. Key idea of the theory. Management is a universal activity. All organizations need management functions. Management is separate from other operations. Focuses on coordination and structure. A central idea of this theory is that management is universal, meaning every organization regardless of size, industry, or purpose requires proper management. Fayol emphasized that management is a distinct function separate from technical tasks like production, accounting, or marketing. Instead, it focuses on coordinating all these activities to ensure they work together smoothly. Without proper management, organizations may become disorganized, inefficient, and unable to achieve their goals. This theory highlights the importance of structure, coordination, and leadership in achieving success. Henri Fayol, 1841 to 1925. French mining engineer and executive. Managing director of a coal mining company. Developed principles of management from experience. Focused on managerial functions. Henri Fayol was a French industrialist who worked as a managing director in a large coal mining company. His experience in managing a complex organization allowed him to observe what effective managers actually do in real situations. Unlike other theorists who focused on worker behavior, Fayol concentrated on the role of managers. He believed that management could be studied scientifically and improved through clear principles. His work laid the foundation for modern management education by identifying core managerial functions such as planning, organizing, commanding, coordinating, and controlling. Fayol's view on management. Management is essential for all organizations. It is a distinct organizational activity. Must be learned and practiced systematically. Applies to all levels of management. Fayol strongly believed that management is a skill that can be taught and developed, not just an innate talent. He argued that all organizations must practice good management in order to survive and succeed. According to him, management is separate from technical work and should be treated as its own discipline. He also emphasized that management exists at all levels. Top managers plan and make decisions, middle managers coordinate, and lower level managers supervise daily operations. This idea helped establish management as a formal field of study. Max Weber, 1864 to 1920. German sociologist. Studied organizational systems. Developed theory of bureaucracy. Focused on authority and structure. Max Weber was a German sociologist who studied how societies and organizations function. He was particularly interested in how authority is distributed and how large organizations maintain order. Weber introduced the concept of bureaucracy as an ideal organizational structure that promotes efficiency and stability. His goal was to design organizations where roles, responsibilities, and authority are clearly defined. He believed that without structure and rules, large organizations would become chaotic and inefficient. Weber's bureaucracy concept. Hierarchical structure of authority. Formal rules and procedures. clear division of labor. Impersonal relationships. Weber's bureaucracy model is based on strict organizational structure. In this system, authority flows from top management down to lower levels through a clear chain of command. Every employee has a specific job role and responsibility, ensuring that tasks are properly divided and specialized. Rules and procedures are formally written to guide decision making and behavior. Another important feature is impersonality, meaning decisions are based on rules and performance, rather than personal relationships. Although sometimes criticized for being rigid, this system helps ensure fairness, consistency, and efficiency in large organizations. Relevance in modern organizations. Applied in schools, businesses, and government. Ensures order and efficiency. Provides clear leadership structure. Supports coordination in large organizations. Even in today's modern world, the ideas of Fayol and Weber remain highly relevant. Schools follow hierarchical structures with principals, teachers, and staff. Government agencies use bureaucratic systems to ensure rules are followed properly. Businesses also apply management functions such as planning and organizing to achieve goals efficiently. These theories help organizations maintain order, avoid confusion, and ensure that responsibilities are clearly assigned. While modern organizations may adopt more flexible approaches, the core principles of structure and management remain essential. Summary. Fayol, focus on management functions. Weber, focus on organizational structure. Both form foundation of modern management, still used in today's organizations. In summary, the general administrative theory provides a foundation for understanding how organizations are managed. Henri Fayol contributed the idea that management consists of specific functions that are necessary for all organizations. Max Weber contributed the idea that organizations need structured systems of authority, known as bureaucracy, to operate effectively. Together, their ideas help explain both the role of managers and the importance of organizational structure. These concepts remain essential in modern management practices across different fields. Thank you very much. May God continue to bless you always.